Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to upload multiple video reels on Facebook page. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to any website and then go to Meta Business Suite or go to businessfacebook.com and you should see this one. Now switch or log in to that specific Facebook page here. If you don't know how to log in or switch, you just have to click this arrow facing down and then switch to that specific Facebook page. Now, once you're on that Facebook page where you want to upload book video reels, then what you're going to do here is you have to go to this part and click this more option or button. Specifically, this arrow facing down, and you will see options right here, including the book upload reels. So you have to click this one. Now, of course, you must have ready or you must have your video reels with you in order for you to upload. Now, you can also link or confirm access with your Instagram if you want to upload this to your Instagram business account. So all you have to do is to have access, but actually this one is optional. Everything is up to you, but this is actually the interface of book upload reels here on your Facebook Meta Business Suite. So you have to click this one, add reels, import reels or video reels from your computer. And as you can see here, you can now add description. You can also set this to publish now or schedule. You can also tap this more edit options before you published it. And basically, that's how easy it is to book upload multiple video reels on Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.